Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a method that can help you make up to $180 per hour, and it all starts with Google Translate. This isn't just another transcription or blog writing gig, it's a unique way to earn money by leveraging affiliate offers. Let's dive into the process. Step 1. Access Google Translate. First, open your browser and go to Google. Type Google Translate into the search bar. You'll see a link to the Google Translate website. Click on it. This will take you to the translation tool where you can convert text between different languages. Step 2. Use Google Translate. On the Google Translate page, you'll see two main sections, one for the text you want to translate and another for the translated text. Choose your source and target languages from the drop-down menus. For instance, if you want to translate hello from English to Spanish, type hello into the source box, and it will translate to hola in the target box. Understanding how to use this tool is key, but let's move on to the earning part. Step 3. Register on CPA Grip. Now, we'll move to CPA Grip, a platform that allows you to earn money through affiliate marketing. Start by going to the CPA Grip website. Click on Register and fill out the form with your email address, name, phone number, and create a password. Once you're registered and logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Step 4. Explore high-paying offers. On your dashboard, navigate to Offer Tools and then click on My Offers. This section displays various offers available based on your location. By default, it will show offers from your country. For instance, if you're in the US, you might see offers that pay around $2 per action. However, if you want higher payouts, consider offers from countries with higher rates, such as Spain, France, or Italy. For example, offers in Spain might pay as much as $28.76 each. The reason for these higher payouts is that these offers are less saturated, and companies offer more to attract users. Step 5. Get your affiliate link. To earn money, you need to promote these offers. Click on one of the high-paying offers to get your affiliate link. This link is what you'll share to earn commissions. To make your affiliate link more user-friendly, head over to bit.ly.com and shorten it. A shorter, cleaner link is more appealing and easier to share. Step 6. Drive traffic to your link. With your shortened link ready, the next step is to drive traffic to it. Go to trafficadbar.com, a site that helps you get visitors to your affiliate link. Paste your bit.ly link into the provided field. This service guarantees at least 1,000 visitors to your offer. Although not everyone will complete the offer, even a small percentage of conversions can lead to substantial earnings. Step 7. Create ads in target languages. To maximize your results, create ads in the language of the country you're targeting. For instance, if you're promoting offers in Spain, use Google Translate to convert your ad text into Spanish. This approach ensures that your ads are relevant to the audience, increasing the chances of conversion. And that's it. By following these steps, you can start making up to $180 per hour using just Google Translate and some affiliate marketing strategies. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new earnings method.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +_in.